Hi, beautiful angels. Today we're gonna get ready to go absolutely nowhere. So, we're gonna start off with some concealer, and then we're gonna do our eyeliner with normal kajal because it's way less messier than like liquid eyeliner, and I love to do this. So, I do my outer eyes first. I draw a little triangle and then I join it with another line, as you can see what I did here. Then I do shimmer in the inner corners and then white kajal in the waterline. And then we do some blush, a lot of blush. I love blush. And then we do our lovely lip liner, followed by our lipstick. And then after lipstick is my favorite thing. My favorite thing ever is mascara. I love mascara. I don't know who I would be if it weren't for mascara. I feel like a doll with long lashes. And this is like my first time doing a voiceover, by the way, but I'm really enjoying it. I feel like I can talk and talk and talk. I love to talk. I look so silly here, but so cute. Love it. So realizing these days is that we all need to start being ourselves fully and completely and just ignore what the rest of the world is telling you, because you are you, and no two people, no two fingerprints, no two flowers, no two things are ever alike that are in nature, that are made by God. So you are you. You are God's finest creation. So please unlearn